Hello YouTubers, followers, subscriber. Once again, here our topic. Last recent video, what I post is I have, if I'm not mistaken, is 200 something watch hour. So right now, a few days ago, as you can see, I have 677 in my watch hours in previous 12 months. So guys, I'll give you the tips. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I assure you I will subscribe back. Okay? And to all the viewers also on this video, please, if you see some person, some YouTubers that need your subscription, please subscribe to their YouTube channel. Okay, we just hoping to help each other, and I'm planning to have we have to make a community for subscriber. We can manage that, so I wish all of you guys share and subscribe to my channel, of course, and see you in another video. I will post another video by tomorrow. In my next video, I will post the how many watch hour in just one day. Okay, for now we have 677. So tomorrow I expect it will be 800 something or up. If you need that tricks I made, I will give you. Just share this video and subscribe. Thank you and goodbye. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe LOLO Panot Channel. Bye bye.